play together.
Our house builders are here. Lisa's going to collect stone, and Cowie will collect wood.
1.
1.
Yay! 2.
1, 2.
Let's go! 6.
1, 2. Lisa found stone for the 3, 4, 5, 6. Lisa found stone for the floor and the chimney.
Let's go! 1.
1.
Come on! 1.
1.
Yeah! 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cowie found some wood for the walls.
Me? 5.
1, 2, 3. Lisa found stone for the floor. 4, 5. Lisa found stone for the walls.
Cool. 1.
1.
Let's go! 1.
1. Lisa has sprung off to a new space.
Let's go! 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Cowie's found a new space.
Yeah! 3.
1, 2. Lisa found stone for the floor. 3. Lisa fell through a hole. Lisa found stone for the floor and the chimney.
Yay! 5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cowie found some wood for the roof and the 5.
Me? 4.
1, 2. Lisa found the ideal location for the house.
Yeah! 2.
1, 2.
2.
1. Hooray! Cowie has arrived. Let's start building. Wow! We now have a house. Hope it doesn't rain. There wasn't any glass for the windows.